right, everybody, we're back with time for just one more thing. Have you seen these ads that come up for people who put them in the paper or leave posted up because they had a misconnection? It's usually a guy who's trying to get to a girl and they keep missing the connection, so he posts something in the cafeteria or in the paper and stuff. Well, sometimes they're really sweet, but sometimes it proves how really good guys are at just saying the wrong thing. So I found some of them and I wanted to share them with you. Here's one called, "Are you sick, Samantha?" This guy says, "We always make eye contact at the Midtown Sports Center after yoga, but I haven't seen you in a while. Did you move? Are you injured? If you're nursing an injury, I can help. I'm crazy about you, but not for real crazy. So it's okay to contact me." What woman is contacting this? I'm crazy, but not for real crazy, though. How about this one called Wendy's Woman? This is my favorite. It reads, "Ariana, every time you sell me a cheeseburger, we share laughs and I compliment you. Well, I'm lactose intolerant and sick from eating all the cheese, but you're worth it. You know I'm more than your average customer, and I know you make me meal happy." This boy just tearing his stomach up. All right, how about this one? Well endowed at Walgreens. This guy wrote, "I couldn't stop staring at your large breasts yesterday, and I think you noticed because you shot me a dirty look. Well, clearly I'm interested, so let's do this thing." So let's do this thing. Then there's this one entitled, "Gotta Get My Grocer." He says, "I'm seeking the woman who used to work as a grocer at the Trader Joe's on Main Street. Your first name might have been Lucinda or something Spanish sounding with an L. In mine, it stands for love, but I know it's really Lucinda or something." Ain't no woman calling you and you don't know her damn name. Lucinda. Folks, that's it for today. Thanks to all my guests. Remember, you can hit me up on Twitter at I am Steve Harvey.